Is the Pramerica Life Guaranteed Return on Wealth Plan your path to assured wealth or just another low return trap? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: you get to enjoy life insurance coverage throughout the entire policy term, and you also get to choose a premium payment term that suits you, and you get to receive guaranteed benefits as long as the Pramerica policy term remains active, and also you can decide how you want to receive your benefits, either as a lump sum or as regular income through various income options depending on your financial needs. And there are also tax advantages available. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like survival benefit, maturity benefit, and also death benefit, which will differ based on the plan option you have opted for. So some of the advantages of investing in this policy are: you can avail a loan of up to 75% of the policy surrender value to meet your financial needs, and you can even tailor the plan's benefits to align with your cash flow requirements, and all the benefits offered under this plan are fully guaranteed. So these are some of the advantages of the policy, and there are some disadvantages like once selected at the time of policy inception, and the sum assured may not be sufficient to fully protect your family's future financial needs, and this plan also yields comparatively lower returns compared to other investment alternatives. So these are some of the disadvantages. Now we need to understand these drawbacks and keep in our mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we know some basic details about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. But if you want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. So now, for example purpose, let us assume that a 30-year-old male has invested 50,000 rupees per year in this policy for 10 years with a policy term of 20 years and a plan option for lump sum. At maturity, this policy provides a guaranteed lump sum of 12.53 lakhs, including accrued loyalty additions. So this translates to an IRR of 6.01% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which is lower than the returns typically offered by debt instruments. So moreover, this example here excludes survival benefits. Opting for an income payout option would also reduce your returns even further. Considering the long investment horizon of 20 years, such returns are inadequate, especially when inflation is factored in, as it erodes purchasing power and raises the cost of future goals. Therefore, this policy may not help you build the required corpus to achieve your long-term objectives. Additionally, the low sum assured makes this plan less appealing from both protection and investment perspectives. So, in conclusion, IRR analysis indicates that this plan is not a favorable choice for investors aiming to meet their financial goals efficiently. So now, as we know that this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis, where we are going to take up an alternative approach in which we are going to invest in insurance and investment separately instead of combining it under one policy like the Pramerica Life Guaranteed Return on Wealth Plan, by using the same parameters from the earlier example for a fair comparison. So by investing the same annual amount of 50,000 rupees, you can secure adequate life cover while also simultaneously building a stronger investment corpus. So for insurance, you can choose a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 7.5 lakhs, which cost approximately 5,500 rupees per year for a 20-year term and a 10-year premium payment period. So the remaining 44,500 rupees can then be channeled into wealth building investments. So your investment avenue can vary based on your risk appetite, from low risk instruments like the Public Provident Fund PPF to high risk options such as equity mutual funds. So in the case of PPF, calculations are based on the minimum investment requirement of 500 rupees for 15 years. So investing in PPF results in a final maturity value of 13.12 lakhs, delivering an IRR of 6.32%. For instance, investing in equity mutual funds could generate a pre-tax maturity value of 27.16 lakhs. After accounting for capital gains tax, the post-tax value stands at 24.48 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of 10.50%. If you have any doubts regarding how we have calculated the tax for equity mutual fund, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column on this aspect, which you can pause and see. So clearly separating insurance and investment proves far more efficient and goal oriented. While traditional insurance plan offer limited coverage and modest returns, combining a pure term policy with tailored investments based on your risk profile enables you to achieve better financial outcomes and meet your long term goals more efficiently. Then, what is the final verdict? Is investing in the Pramerica Life Guaranteed Return on Wealth plan worth it or not? This plan combines savings and life insurance into a single product, offering flexibility through four plan options designed around different cash flow needs. The final maturity value varies depending on the periodic survival benefits chosen. So, the higher the periodic payouts, the lower the lump sum benefit at maturity. However, the return analysis indicates below average performance on the savings component. Additionally, the sum assured is inadequate to cover a family's essential financial needs, and it also has a high agent commission. Although the plan promotes disciplined saving, it fails to deliver competitive returns or sufficient insurance coverage. So, the guaranteed benefit alone should not be the deciding factor for investing in this plan. A more effective strategy is to separate insurance and investment. Secure your family's financial future with pure term life insurance policy and invest independently to grow your wealth and meet your long term goals. This approach enhances both financial protection and investment potential. For sustainable success, it is essential to diversify your investments across asset classes.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.